So we are here with David Delapenha. David, is it your first time racing?
With this car, yes, but I got a drive one of my friend's cars one time.
Oh, okay. So it's your first time racing as David Delapenha?
Yes, sir.
Alright, tell us the specs on your car.
Bone Star K20, simple setup from BC Racing, coilovers.
Okay, pretty basic setup.
Yeah, pretty basic setup.
All right, I saw earlier you walked away with a few trophies, right, for your first time out. I must say that the fans love your performance today. How does it feel though to
It feels good, you know, say you can bring joy to some people sometimes,
Yeah. All right. So next meet, what can fans expect from you?
Pretty much of the same, you know.
And even better, eh?
Even better.
All right. Much respect, David.
Thank you.
All the best. Cool.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.